Hi guys, I'm Eva and welcome to our channel. Today just a little bit of an update. We have winter season now and had here in our subtropical area in Queensland, Australia, and we had a few of really frosty nights this season. So as you can see, the garden looks very sad at the moment. So the poppos and the cranberry hibiscus and the bananas especially, they look very sad, as you can see. This is like 2 weeks ago we had the frost, so everything was brown and sad. I mean the bananas now. But now we are getting the first green leaves again, so everything is recovering now. I hope we won't have as much frost as we had. Usually it's not so bad like this year. A lot of bunches here which won't ripe properly anymore because they look very sad as well. So I can see already what did survive and it's growing very good are the, like I call them the European veggies, and you can see they're doing pretty well. So I've got the green onions here, the parsley, dill is doing very well, 2 rows of garlic over there, and also some more garlic here. But the lettuce is doing well as well. So the gingers and the sugar cane got some frozen leaves and recovering now. So here again, here is some more perennial. Here is a perennial leek and kale tree which survived very well. My working onions are doing very good. Here I made some free space for some other veggies I will plant soon. So this one is doing pretty well as well. You can see some frozen leaves, but it's not so bad. I cut it back and it grows again. That's the Okinawa spinach. So anything else is doing good. It's my perennial parsnip, the Peruvian parsnip, doing okay. So all the capsicums are frozen. I will remove them all. So here coming the new ones again, but I will probably remove them and plant new ones. So but I had a good amount of capsicums this year, so was happy. Here's some rocket salad, and the garlic chive was doing well as well. The celery and celeriac, perfect. No damage, no frost damage here. So the mustard leaf, good. So all doing well. Other than that, I removed all the rosellas were frozen as well. Oh yeah, here girls and boys, our geese. They are at the moment like looking for some nice places where they can lay eggs. So I removed the rosellas because they were frozen as well. I was away for 3 weeks overseas and I lost about 60% of the rosellas because I wasn't able to collect them, and it was the time when we got the frost. So yeah, that's the remaining. Other than that, I removed here all of the other plants and started to clean up so everything can come back. I won't seed any new rosellas again this year, so the same like last year, they will come by themselves here. So this is a good area for them, and also here. And yeah, this is a good addition to the garden, the soaking house. I really like the idea, especially if you got like a very long row of veggie patch like I do here. Some little bit more of the manure I put in and new mulch, so everything can grow. Yeah, here the Cape gooseberry, good frozen as well. Loki, go away, Baba. Look, they don't like him to follow. They don't want to play. Here as well, frozen. This one, this is not a good fruit. You can feel it's inside, it's empty. No leaves on my passion fruit, or frozen leaves of the passion fruit, but it will come again as well. So now is the time to prepare everything for growing, and that's what I am doing pretty much. So putting mulch wherever I can. And regarding mulch, I came to the idea to make a mulch out of them and make them small. And just because I just recently bought a second-hand mulcher, I will see how I go. Of course, it's much easier to put the leaves as they are, but I had the experience already when I put the banana leaves, the dry banana leaves, like they are in the garden, they are flying around and it's very unhandy. You can't do much with it. So yeah, we try a different way now. you can see, it is working. Not as good as I would hope. It's not the best mulch looks like. I wish I had a better one, but it's, yeah, it's okay. It didn't work. It didn't want to work through here, but it does the job here when I push the leaves through. And you can see beautiful mulch I can use everywhere in my food forest. And this is just few leaves, so lots more to come. This is just one place of the banana plants I had, just one bunch of plants I cleaned up, and there is lots more to come. So here my lazy dogs enjoying the winter sun, and I'm going back to work and mulch some more of my leaves. If you have any tips or comments, as usually in the comment section below. So yeah guys, I hope you liked the little update, and if you did, please put a thumb up for me and subscribe to my channels if you still didn't. And yeah, hope to see you soon again. See you later, and I keep mulching.